Hi, my fellow YouTubers, my bliss babies. I just wanted to say hello. I'm AJ from Vancouver, Canada, and I just wanted to send out a video and my love out into the world because it's a rainy day here, but a rainy day I look at here in Vancouver in Canada, we call it liquid sunshine. And it's so true because a rainy day provides a perfect opportunity to just be inside and create. But I don't know about you guys, but there seems to be this amazing positivity movement going on in our YouTuber over 40, 50, 60 whole community. And I'm loving it because with all the division and craziness in the world, it's so nice to know that there are people from all over the world wanting to create, connect, and make each other's lives a little easier, better. And I was thinking, what can I do in my little corner of the world to help promote positivity? Well, in my spare time, I teach line dance. I have the lovely opportunity to get to travel the world, to go to different line dance conventions. I know, it's crazy. And then in my regular job, I work in gardening. And this YouTube side hustle is a way for me to start thinking about pre-retirement. But anyways, we digress. What I was looking at is, I certainly want to promote other creators, and there's a movement going on with the Hope Crew. So if you don't know, there's these two inspirational YouTubers, starting with Dash, a lady that had a regular job, and then she does DoorDash, and then she was just YouTubing when she could in a car. That inspired a YouTuber called Dash of Faith, and he's just blown up in the last week. So his goal, like with Dash, she's excited because she got her first substantial YouTube check, and I think it's going to allow her to have quit her full-time job and also to either cut back or get out of DoorDash. Now, Dash of Faith, I haven't listened to all of his videos, but I know in one of the videos he mentioned he's divorced and he has some struggles that he's going through, but his messages are always hope and positivity. And I so appreciate it because his consistent message has been just get on there. He's in his car just doing videos when he can in between deliveries. So I find that tremendously inspiring. And then one of the things that both of them are doing is in your YouTube community channel, what they're doing is they're giving a shout out to other creators that they come across with, small creators that they think are deserving of a shout out. And I thought, well, I'd love to do that as well too. But then I thought I'd like to also do it in my own way. So here's what I was thinking is, why should we let all the Gen Zs have all the fun? And it just seems to me that, there's all these viral videos on TikTok with dance. And do they really do anything? I mean, I guess they do. They entertain, they make people feel good. And these kids in their 20s and 30s, they're busting themselves to do these fancy dances. And I thought, why should they have all the fun? Why don't we, as people that are over 40, 50, 60, show that it can be done too? And what if we were to use the power of viral dance videos to help one another? So here's my dance challenge to you. And if you can't dance, I hope you would try it because I would think that would be even funnier if you couldn't dance. That would make for a pretty funny video. And we all need to laugh. We're laughing with you, not at you. But even if you don't want to dance, if you just want to like put on a silly hat or, feature your cat, whatever. But I'm going to send out a dance challenge, and I think you can do this. And the other thing it would do, it would allow you to, there's a mechanism in YouTube that allows you legally to use popular music, whether it's old or classics or whatever. I went to a throwback. It's a tune called Apache. Do you know that one? Jump on it, jump on it. And all I'm doing is a simple video where I'm dancing and I'm just giving a shout out to Dash of Faith. So Dash of Faith is trying to get to his watch hours. So if all you do is replicate the format of my video, but then give a shout out to Dash of Faith. That's one idea. The other idea is use the same soundtrack, but then give a shout out to another creator that you think is worthy of attention. And I put a tutorial video because, like I say, if you participate in this dance challenge, it's going to do a number of things. It's going to give a shout out to someone, and that's a beautiful thing. But it will also teach you how to technically try, just try to see if you can technically produce this video. And I am the least technical person ever, and yet I was able to create this dance, this video that can sync up to dance. And if you don't believe me, I just posted a how-to tutorial video thanks to Start Here Tashmir, because I put the video up, and then her along with another user said, can you do a tutorial? Or I asked, do people want a tutorial video? And then she held me accountable. I've never done a how-to tutorial, technical, so I had to figure out how to show my hands, and I don't know how to do screen grab, so I just simply got an old camera and shot that. Now, what I wanted to show you is I just posted this last night, and then, let's see, Tashmir posted this video, so let me just press play here. And she decided to take me up on my challenge, and check this out. Now, what's funny is she says that she's nervous about speaking on camera, but then she has no problem dancing. And I'd say that there's probably people that have a harder time dancing. So she took me up on my offer, and she was able to follow the directions, or, you know, she probably figured it out herself. And that was just last, let's see, she did that this morning. I just posted that tutorial video. So if you want to take part in this challenge, please do. What I'm doing is I'm starting a hashtag. There is an existing hashtag that people are starting to put their shout outs to fellow creators, and they're calling it, they're using the hashtag HopeCrew, but I'm hoping we can have something called hashtag hopecrewhappydance, and then we could see each other's like happy dance and then learn about fellow creators who deserve a little attention. So with that, I hope you put out your happy dance, your unhappy dance if you can't dance, or if you put out a silly hat video, you could put out a purr video. There are so many variations, but overall, just spread your joy and love. There are people that need to hear more of your positive words, your positivity. We all need each other. So let's grow this community together. Much love and light, and have a great day.